Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing their Dairy Queen Caramel Drumstick with Peanuts Blizzard. Say that 5 times fast. Hopefully I said it right. Well, we'll find out. Sure to write the description. Stay tuned. Yes, I just had to double check the Dairy Queen website. It is called the Caramel Drumstick with Peanuts Blizzard, I think. I'll be okay, guys. Anyhow, so what's in it is chocolate covered drumstick pieces, I think, or waffle cone, chopped peanuts and caramel, and it's a little soupy. I had to order it because Heath is at work, but that's okay. It's still, I'm sure, gonna be taste good there. I just don't want to spill it, guys. So yeah, it's still pretty much frozen here. It's got, looks like it's got a lot in it. Look at that. Let's try it. Oh my God. Well, I've heard people say this is really good. So far, it is living up to the hype. For sure, there's lots of like peanuts and all chocolate waffle cone pieces. Caramel. Just like a drumstick ice cream waffle cone. You guys can see there. Sorry, it's not focusing, guys. Come on, focus. If you look right in here, there we go. You can see the waffle. Okay, sorry about that, guys. This is really good. So nice, refreshing treat for sure for summer. You know what? I don't care if it's slightly melted. That's okay. Still nice and refreshing. I'm on a warm day. It's not too sweet. Thumbs up. Definitely a pass. Tastes exactly like a drumstick waffle ice cream cone. Like the chocolate covered waffle pieces. Mixed in well with the peanuts and the caramel and the soft serve ice cream. It's not too sweet. It's just the right amount of all the ingredients and the caramel and everything. Definitely suggest you guys try this. Definitely a really nice, yummy, and delicious blizzard for summer. One of my subscribers said that this one was way better than the Reese's Cookie Dough Blizzard, and I'm gonna have to say I agree, hands down. The Reese's Cookie Dough Blizzard was really good. This one is even better. You were right. This one is way better. Really, really. It's also, I think there's another one, drumstick one. I think it's just peanuts, I think. Just, I'll mention in the description what's in the other one as well. Anyhow, let me know, guys, again, if you love drumstick waffle cones, if you would try this blizzard, like the caramel peanut one or the other one. Just let me know in the comments, or what's your favorite ice cream or favorite treat you like to have in the summer when it's really hot. Just let me know in the comments, guys. And thank you again so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody.